Your satisfaction is our major concern. We want you to shop with confidence and worry less, especially shopping in a store where you can purchase quality and extraordinary products. Our items are outstanding and unique, created by our certified and verified authors in the industry. Our buyer protection ensures that your purchases are covered in the event that you encounter a problem. We have your back with our basic buyer protection right that ensures you will receive your item on time and as described if it falls on one of the following reasons as a result of ours. 1. Wrong model. 2. Wrong trim variant. 3. Wrong kilometer driven. 4. Wrong product document. 5. Wrong external color, if the color was given. 6. Wrong interior color, if the color was mentioned. 7. Wrong order number. 8. Wrong options or presentation. 9. Significantly different from declaration, seller's declaration. 10. The product purchased on Avicii is no longer available.
We cooperate with several local warranty service providers to make sure our customers have complete relaxation from purchase to delivery and satisfaction. This warranty is limited to certain countries and may be applied for, selected, or automatically added if it's considerably applicable to your purchase. It's a good thing for a store to be unique and efficient, it's another thing for the same store to make consumers relaxed. We try as much as possible to give our customers assurance of safety in the market and service delivery. Shop with protection. Shop with peace of mind. Shop relaxed with Avicii.